Okay, viewers, we have this on the board. Sine A plus B cos sine A minus B. If you check your textbook for the year 1, you will see all this in your textbook. It is necessary. In mathematics, when you see equal to, it means that it is the same as. So sine A plus B is the same as this. The same thing applicable to this, everything here. So now, what we need to know is that this is A plus B, which is equal to this. Now, what if the angle given is the same degree? Let's assume that A plus B is of different angle, like 40 and 45 or 30 and 45. What if it is the same angle? What I mean is, permit me to draw my line. This is A plus B. Now, what if the sine, this thing given is sine A plus B? Sine A plus B, sine A plus A. Remember that this one was A plus B. Then let's solve for A plus A now. I know that you may not know this one. This is sine A. Remember, it's supposed to be sine A cos B. But this one is A and A, so it will be cos A also. Plus cos A sine A. Have you seen? Yeah. It gives us that. Because this one is of the same degree. This one is of different degree. So that means that A plus A gives us 2A. A plus A is 2A. Then this one means sine A cos A plus cos A sine A. It is the same. Nothing. This one and the same. This one and this are the same. So this one is just like saying A 1 plus 1, which is what? 2. So this is 1 plus 1 give us 2 sine A cos A. Just like saying A plus A. A plus A is it not 2A? So sine A cos A plus cos A sine A give us 2 sine A. So that means that anywhere in trig you see sine 2A, it is equal to 2 sine A cos A. That is it. This is what one thing for you to know. Then if we are using this of the same degree, cos A plus A. Cos A plus A give us cos A. We are using this one now. Cos A cos B. Cos A also minus sine A sine A. Cos A sine A sine A. So if you want to notice this give us cos A, just like saying 2 times 2 or 2 raised to power 2. Yeah, it will give us 2 raised to power 2. Or A times A is A raised to power 2, A squared. So this time this give us, this is equal to cos square A minus sine square A, because they are the same. Remember, this one is when they are the same degree, this one is of different degree. So cos square A minus sine square A. Now if you want to recall from my last video that I proved to the audience that this plus this is equal to 1. Check my last video, you will see it for you to enjoy the video. This plus this is equal to 1. So but now we have stopped here now. Is of 2 now. Is either I make this the subject formula or I make this the subject formula. Now the question is, you can make both the subject formula. So now if I'm talking about this, I'm going to make this one the subject formula. Making sine this the subject formula. Remember that this one is from the last video. Check the last video, you understand. But you understand up to this point. But if you watch the last video, you understand how we have one here. Yeah, in our video, P all over Q give us cos theta. So since it is square, it will be cos theta square plus R divided by Q. R divided by Q. Have you seen? Is sine. If you square this, you also square this. So this gives us this. This is one of the important trigonometry identities for us. So now I want to make this the subject formula. So this is sine square A is equal to 1. Is equal to, I'll keep this guy here. Take this one to this side. It changes to what? Negative. Have you seen? Sine square A is equal to 1 minus this guy. Take this one to this side, change it from positive to negative. The reason is that I want to change this guy here to everything here. That means that in mathematics, the left hand side is always equal to what? The right hand side. So I can change it from here now. From here, look at. From here to this side. So it will be equal to cos square A minus everything that is here, 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. That means that this guy, minus sine square A, is equal to everything that is here. So I just substitute it into the formula. So because of space, let me continue here. So if I continue here, that means that cos square A minus 1 minus time this is minus 1. So minus minus give us positive cos square A. So 1 plus 1, this is just like saying 1 plus 1 or A plus A. Is it not 2A? Yeah, it's 2A. So this plus this give us 2 cos square A minus 1. So anywhere you see cos 2A, it is equal to this. Look at A plus A is 2A. So anywhere you see cos 2A, it gives us this. If you are using sin theta as the subject formula. Now, if you want to use sin theta as the subject formula, remember or recall, note this one also, anywhere you see cos 2A, it is equal to this one. It is also equal to another one. From here now, remember that we have cos A plus A to be equal to cos A minus sin A sin A. So this gives us square A minus square A. From here, we use this one as a subject formula. From here now, we use this one as a subject formula and we arrive here. And you still recall that cos square A plus this is equal to what? 1 from our last video. So now I want to make this one now the subject formula. In the last one, I make this the subject formula. So this will be cos square A is equal to 1. Take this guy to this side. Minus sine square A. Now, I will substitute this into this. The same pattern I used in the last one. That means that this will give us cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. So we'll substitute this guy here now. So this gives us cos square A give us 1 minus sine square A. Have you seen? This is this minus sine square A again. So I will continue because of space. Now this gives us 1 minus sine square A minus another sine square A. In mathematics, this and this give us minus 2. What I really want you people to note is this. I'll clean. Note this one. I'll clean that one now. And the next one is this and this give us minus 2. Minus 2 sine square A. So that means that cos 2A is equal to this guy and also equal to this guy. So note these three things for now, that sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A. I approve to you. Then the next one is cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. If we make this a subject formula, it depends on what you are solving for. Then the next one is cos 2A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Look at it there now. So note this 1, 2, and 3 because you are going to be using this in our next video. Thank you. I remain Pascal Mathematics.